Hello everyone. Today in the third session on Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management, we will learn about objectives of management and importance of management. In the earlier two sessions, we learned about the introduction, meaning and concept of management, and in the second session, we learned about the characteristics of management. So, what is objectives of management? In the definition of management, we saw that management is defined as a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving preset or predetermined goals effectively and efficiently. So for any management, the prerequisite is a preset or predetermined goal, and it is the aim, objective, purpose, duty of the management to see that those organizational goals are achieved. And these objectives are the result of the vision of the organization, where the organization is right now and where it wants to see itself after a certain period of time, let us say 1 year or 5 years. Any organization has multiple objectives which need to be accomplished effectively and efficiently. There are three objectives of management or an organization or a business, and these three objectives are organizational objectives, social objectives, and personal objectives. Now we will first see what is organizational objectives. The organizational objectives of any management organization is varied. There are many stakeholders, there are shareholders, owners, there are employees, customers, suppliers, the community, the government, and a management has to come up to the expectations of all of them. The basic thing that is required in any organization is survival. There are occasions when organizations work with handsome profit. Then there are times when the profit is inadequate, or maybe no profit, no loss, or even in loss. We can take the example of Airtel and Jio. When Jio came, Airtel had to face tough competition. Many small operators went out of the business, but Airtel and Vodafone managed to survive. So, irrespective of the profit or loss, the main task of a business is to survive, remain in the business. And if the organization is able to survive, then it makes profit, and this profit leads to growth of the organization. So the organizational objectives are three-pronged. One is survival, another is profit, and then comes growth. Now social objectives of management. In class 11, in the chapter Social Responsibilities of Business, we have seen that since all the resources that a business needs come from the society, and the mix of products produced by it are also consumed by the society. Therefore, society is the reason behind the existence of any organization. So management must see to it that good quality products are offered at reasonable price. The business is environment friendly. It takes care of the community around which the industrial unit or business unit is located. They must be customer friendly. So when these social objectives are met, it works in the long-term interest of the business, and it is able to survive in the long run. The third objective of management is personal objectives. We have seen that management, when we say management, we assume that there is a group, there is a team, and all the team members come from different backgrounds. They have different aspirations. Why do anyone work? The main reason is they are looking for financial security. They have a family to fend for, look after. Once this financial security is there, they look for financial stability. Then comes social recognition. The organization in which one works, if it is a good one, the public image is good, the person feels motivated, confident, and they also look for kind of social recognition that so and so works in such and such organization. They also look for skill development, personal growth, personality development. They also look for advancement in their career. So, looking back, the basic objective of a management towards its team should be to provide them financial security, financial stability, social recognition, opportunities for personal growth and personality development, as well as opportunities for advancement in the career. So the objectives of management are three. We have seen them. First one was organizational objectives, which had three components: survival, profit, and growth in the same order. Then social objectives, and then the personal objectives. Now we will try to understand the importance of management. its significance. We have seen that management is all pervasive, is present everywhere like air, irrespective of the kind of organization we have seen, big or small, public or private, whatever. So management is an integral part of an organization. It is a prerequisite for the survival, profit and growth of the organization. Now, these importance of management are dealt point-wise. The first one is management helps in achieving group goals. These group goals are the common organizational objectives. Let us take an example of Maruti car. They have a target of selling 10 lakh units per annum. Now there are different departments, sections, marketing, production, finance and accounting, materials. All of them have separate objectives, but there is one common organizational goal, that is to sell 10 lakh units of cars. So every organizational unit works for the achievement of that organizational goal. In a cricket team, whether bowler, fielder, batsman or wicket keeper, captain, manager, all of them are focused at winning the match or tournament for the team. The second point of importance is it increases efficiency. We have seen that efficiency means accomplishment of the given task within the specified time frame in the allocated budget. This happens only when the different resources available with the organization are used optimally. Again, taking the example of cricket, the captain cool Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known for giving bowling to someone who is not a regular bowler, and that someone in whom the captain reposes faith comes out with brilliant result. So, the importance of management is to make optimum utilization of the resources, and if that is done, it leads to efficiency. The third importance of management is management creates a dynamic organization. We have seen the examples of ambassador cars, Nokia phones, Kodak cameras. These organizations could not keep pace with the changing time. They didn't evolve themselves as per the needs of the hour. Computerization, online transactions, artificial intelligence, all these are what is trendy in any organization. And if the management is well aware of the changes taking place around it, it makes suitable amends, takes corrective actions and keep pace with the changing times. If the organizations are not computer savvy, they are given training 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. One has to keep pace with the changing business environment. And if the management is dynamic, it is done. The fourth importance of management is management helps in achieving personal objectives. We have seen what is personal objective. Anyone working in an organization looks for financial security, financial stability, social recognition, opportunities for personal growth and development, opportunities for career advancement. If these objectives of the persons in an organization are fulfilled, the organization management is able to win their confidence, their loyalty, and the employees come out with their best, give their best. It is very important for any organization to retain its talent pool. The talented persons must be retained. New faces must be brought. Then comes management helps in development of the society. If the business practices, techniques of an organization is up to date, customer friendly, then it leads to availability of better goods and services to the customers. Online transactions, e-business and e-commerce, we have seen how all of them have made our life easier, be it cab services, hotel services or food services. So it is important for society as well that the business is carried on as per the best business practices and techniques, so that the customers, the society is able to get best services, is able to get good quality products at reasonable price. This can happen only when the management is proactive, management is customer friendly and keeps pace with the changing time.